I got the 2000 RX300 back. This time it's making a strange noise and it's coming from the alternator, making like a frequency type noise. The windings, once you look more into it, are burnt up. You can see there's heat, some type of high resistance heat soaking, or it could be throwing out an overwhelming amount of amperage. Um, I'd assume shorting out some fashion. Something's happening where it's shorting out inside, I'd assume, but I'm not going to go too far in investigating that. Um, it is making, again, it's making a noise, making a whine noise. I'm going to start so you can hear it. I did check the voltage really quick. It showed 14 volts and then it suddenly dropped. It begins to heat up, then it starts to emit the odor. So, I mean, this is obviously just a bad alternator. I mean, it was a remanufactured one that's currently on here. I'm not sure where it came from, but calling my parts store, it didn't come from us. So, but I'm gonna start up, put the fluke here, and take a look at the voltmeter. All right, I do got my community the negative grounded, so that is going to the positive side of the battery with the alligator clip, and here's my positive here. I'm going to place that on the positive side of the alternator where battery voltage goes out. So I'm gonna start up, hear noise, and better yet, you know what? Let me get an alligator clip, and unless I can get this to set there. Okay, I think that'll work out. And we'll watch the voltage climb and then fall off. I wonder what happens if I tap on it. It's starting to smell pretty bad, but as far as the process of elimination, you can take the belt off and see if the noise continues to exist. If not, um, if it doesn't exist, then likely it's going to be that alternator that was, since it was being driven by that belt you removed, that noise is going to be a frequency. I mean, it definitely sounds like electrical system under a load, like a generator that's under a load. But I'm gonna pull this bed off, restart it, see what happens again, and continue to start pulling this alternator off. Alternator is really hot. Using a 12 millimeter on the lower bolt here to remove the tensioner. There's also a 12 to relieve the tensioner. belt relax, and we're gonna start it back up. See if the noise continues to exist or not. No noise. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and continue to pull the alternator out. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the battery while I'm what I need to before I forget. It's gonna use a 10mm, take the negative terminal off. Trying to get to the bottom, get the alternator is like crazy hot. Just to give you an idea, see how hot this thing is. Showing 150 at the most, 55. Still pretty hot. This was already replaced before, so I just pulled the connector off, and looks like a 12. Now it's a 10mm. The nut that retains the 12-volt to battery. Pull this out. I said inside the windings here, they look purple. You can see just like heat. Golly. Labor on this is allegedly 0.5 hours. Pretty sure still wound up paying an entire hour. But I'm pretty sure that varies from mechanic to mechanic. All right, I'm gonna get everything installed in reverse order, and we'll listen and see if that noise continues to exist. More than likely it doesn't, being that we removed the belt, the noise stopped, and the alternator was just freaking steaming hot. I mean, the car hasn't even been driven or running for like 3 minutes, at the most 5, but 5 minutes shouldn't cause the alternator to get that hot. I'm running O'Reilly's. All right, got the new alternator here. So O'Reilly is top quality. All right. So let me get everything back in reverse order. start up and see if this noise still exists or not.